Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn on torch light in your phone Oneplus Nord. First, go to the notification area and you will find one option flashlight. Just tap on it and the torchlight will glow in the back side. See here. So it will be useful for using your phone in night time. So when you go under dark, just use a torch and you have the light and you can see what's there in the dark. Okay, so you will be free from fear. Just use torchlight whenever you need. Okay, if power goes off in night time, just use torchlight. Okay, it will be very useful. If you want to turn off torch, then you go to again go to the notification area and you go to tap on again flashlight icon and torch will off. So in this way you can easily turn on or turn off torchlight in your phone Oneplus Nord. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.